Gold and silver prices traded bearish for the day, but yet again the support levels proven out to be very strong. 47.40 for silver and 39.65-66 for gold. Hitting the support levels, we have seen a good recovery. Oil stayed in a zone, failing to trade below 60. It is struggling to trade below 60 here and trading range bound, while natural gas, after hitting the highs we have seen, it erasing some of the gains. But it is interesting to see the indices. You see Tech 100 and Dow Jones both melted sharp here. We have seen a very sharp drop coming out in indices, and the US 30 already has moved all the way towards 46,840 and US 100 close to 25,500, 520. So what to expect now with the US session from these 6 instruments? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, we are going to see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates on these instruments. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First we look into gold, followed with silver, then crude oil and natural gas. Lastly Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones. Watch till first, if you look at gold on the hourly chart, see the movement here: rise, drop, retracement, higher lows were seen here, and it is still respecting these higher lows here. It is trying to breach but trying to bounce back up again. Now on the upside, 4,000 has become a crucial milestone for gold to break beyond. If you see gold trading beyond 4,000, you can buy, but then 40-10, 40-20 is going to be the first milestone which gold has to trade beyond. And as we have discussed yesterday, this is the most crucial zone which gold has to break past by. Any movement beyond 40-20, 40-40 zone is a clear sign of a breakout on the upside. The moving averages are trading bearish here. Stochastic at the top. MACD after slight retracement is crossing over for a buy. This is a supportive sign for the bulls here. And the RSI is placed comfortably. Coming to 2 hour, likewise on the 2 hour charts, the resistance on the upside playing out very well. These are very strong now, and thus 4,000 you have to wait for it to trade beyond, then 40-10, 40-12, then 40-23 key levels here. And even if it trades beyond this, you can say 40-30, 40-40. So till 40-40, it has got enormous resistances on the upside, and price can reverse and drop again. This is something you should watch out for. Stochastic rising here. The MACD is trading with moderate bearishness, and the RSI staying flat. On the 3 hour, similar is the observation. Notice, see, every rise offsets with a retracement. This time it is trying to reverse from slightly lower highs, and thus once it trades below 39.60, that is the point of time today. You can say now is the time for us to stay short 39.60. Very good support 39.50, the next one. And once it trades below 39.50, you can just stay short from there. Till 39.50, 39.60 is not taken, do not treat gold as bearish. Prices can bounce back up again. Moving averages are trading bearish. Stochastic trying to bounce back after hitting the bottom here. This is a bullish sign. The MACD almost flat since the crossover. RSI is almost flat. Coming to 4 hour chart, on the 4 hour charts, notice here you can see bearishness getting diminished. There is a reversal sign appearing here, but you can see the resistances on the upside playing out very well. So now we have to wait for it to trade beyond 4,000 and 40-10 levels. That might confirm a move all the way towards 40-20 levels and 40-20, 30-40. These are crucial resistances which gold has to break past by. Beyond this, more bullishness should be seen here. Right now I can see a very range bound movement, not yet confirming either or bearishness here. Stochastic has taken a dip. The MACD was trading bullish here, trying to convert crossover for a sell. It is not yet crossed over. It is still in green, and the RSI is staying flat. Coming to the daily, on the daily chart, see higher lows are seen, and gold still has room for upside. I'll wait for it to trade beyond 4,000. 4,000 is also the 5-period moving average, and thus 4,000, once it trades beyond, you can expect 40-10, 40-20 levels. And see, the 20-period definitely offered it as greater resistance so far since till yesterday. So today again, if it starts to move upward, I'll wait for it to trade beyond 40-40. That is the only level beyond which it is a reversal confirmation in gold. Else it is still not showing any bullishness. The stochastic rising, the MACD is trading bearish here, looking downwards. The RSI is staying flat. So looking at this, before I give you the trading levels here, yes, if you are willing to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 35th mentorship batch starting soon. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. Else you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. We are trading as per the signals, also you can profit. We are capturing hundreds of pips and points trading in instruments, diverse instruments every day. Reach out to me for queries. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. And those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a swap-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. First is where you should buy. I will recommend you to buy at 4,002 levels. Expect 40-10, 40-12 levels as the first target zone. If this is taken, expect 40-20, 24 as the second target zone. Then 40-32 will arrive, and then the most important one at 40-40. Any move beyond 40-40 is an indication that we will look forward to 40-60-64, 40-80-84. Till 40-40, we should not be treating gold as bullish. Remember this fact, price can drop again any point of time till 40-40. If it does not happen today, then possibly as long as 40-40 is not breached, it can reverse. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry 39, 78, 80 levels. This is going to be a very good support here. Once it trades below this, expect it to move towards 39, 64, 62. And if this is taken, you can expect it to trade lower towards 39.40. And once 39.40 is taken, you can just stay short for 39.16 and 3900 mark. Remember, gold on the longer time frames, on the higher time frames, has a lot much of scope on the downside, because what will happen once it trades below 3900, you can expect 3880, 3840 mark here as well. We have to wait for it to take a direction. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly chart, see lower highs are seen, lower lows are seen, trying to create a bearish channel here. Till 47.40, I will not treat this as bearish. Till 47.40, chances of a pullback will be high. And on the upside till 48.20, 48.50 zone is not taken. It's not yet to be confirmed as bullish. What is happening? Notice after this good drop, it is retraced again looking downwards. It is possible that it can form a double bottom and bounce back all the way towards 48.20. You have to watch out. You have to watch out. It is right now showing bearish signs, but I can see a good support coming in at around 47.50, 47.40 zone. Stochastic here is trading bearish. The MACD is almost bottomed here, trying to stay flat, neither showing bullishness nor bearishness, and thus wait for a crossover in order to confirm a reversal. A crossover here requires couple of stronger bullish candle, and hence we can wait for 48.20 levels to be taken in order to confirm bullishness here. RSI comfortably placed, but it is right now showing slight bearishness. Coming to 2 hour. Now on the 2 hour charts, notice these two candles. First bearish candle, one pullback, couple of retracement candles. I'll wait for the next candle. The next candle possibly might take it higher, but then till 48.20 is not taken, I will not recommend a buy. Once it trades beyond 48.20, expect 48.40, 48.50 as the crucial number for it to trade beyond. Only above 48.50 slight bullishness can be expected. Else silver is not showing much bullishness. Stochastic rising. The MACD is still trading bearish. It is trading with divergence looking downwards. The RSI is trading bearish as well. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour charts, notice what has happened. The preceding few candles, first of all diminishing bearishness, then a pullback candle has appeared. Now the current one is of consolidation, and I'll wait for the next candle. Remember, bullishness is only above 48.20, and then too it is riskier as long as 48.40, 48.50 is not taken. And in fact, even if it trades beyond this, till 49, chances of reversal will be very, very, very high. What is happening here in silver? Notice after this drop, we have seen slight consolidation, then a bigger dip, then retracement towards the same zone. So it appears it is trying to create a box. Creating a box means possibly it might try to move towards the bottom. The bottom right now lies at 46. So this is something you have to watch out. A drop below 47.40, you can stay with the sell from there. Stochastic oversold here. The MACD trading bearish here. RSI comfortably placed. Coming to 4 hour. On the 4 hour charts, notice this flat top here. Current candle is of consolidation. A drop below 47.40 will only confirm the breakout here. Below 47.40, you can expect 47.20 and then 46.90, $47 zone. And if that is taken, 46.90, $47 zone, stay short for 46.50 and 46 as well. Right now, yes, it is turning bearish, but I'll still be cautious as long as 47.40 zone is not taken. Stochastic trying to bounce back. The MACD just crossed over, trading with moderate bearishness. The RSI is also trading slightly bearish. Coming to the daily, see on the daily charts as well, you can see a twin top here. Today it is started on a bearish note and hitting lower lows. It might try to in fact bounce back, but I'll say only bullishness above 48.20 and then too with the caution till towards 48.40, 48.60 zone is not taken. If 48.40, 48.60 zone is taken, possibly this might call for a reversal, which might take it towards 49.10, 49.40 and then till 50. Remember, till 49.40, 49.50 is not taken on the daily charts, it is difficult for silver to confirm the reversal here. Stochastic taking a dip here. The MACD is trading bearish here. The RSI is also trading with moderate bearish. Thus for the day, what you can do here is ideally we have to wait for 48.20, but since this is far beyond, you can try to take a trade. This is a riskier trade at 47.80 levels. When you see the lower price above 47.80, you can initiate a buy. Expect 48, 48.25. Once this is taken, you can say it is turning bullish and you can look forward to a greater move on the upside. What you can see, we can see 48, 50, 60 will come into picture, and if this is taken, then 49 beyond 40, 49.10, beyond 49.10, 49.40 will be seen. If this is taken, then 50 is a must here. Right now I can see silver is struggling on the upside, but yes, as and how these levels are taken, you can see bullishness prevailing, though it is going to remain these levels are going to remain stronger hurdles for silver on the upside. On the downside, I will only recommend a sell at 4740 levels here. Below 4740, stay short for 47, 4650, and then 46. Below 46 is where greater correction to follow all the way towards 45 and in fact 44 very very soon, if not today. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Now let's move to crude oil. Crude oil for the day right now reversing from the highs here. We have seen a good drop coming in and it has come down towards the next support zone at 60, 60, 59.7, 59.4. Three support zones we had identified and it is yet to break below these levels. Also notice since it is delivering lower highs, so possibly once it trades below 59.4, we can expect 59 is. But right now what I am focusing on, see, since it has strengthened the support here and since then we had seen a, as long as 59.4 is not taken, I will not treat this as bearish. Below 59.4 is where you can expect a correction. Else, it could still bounce back. See, the moving averages though have converged and trying to cross up, but yet not confirming a complete reversal. Stochastic getting oversold here. The MACD is trading with divergence. It is staying bearish, looking downwards. The RSI is come towards the bottom as well. Coming to so one thing is certain, the support on the downside are going to get very, very, very strong and difficult to break beyond. But as in how it breaches the support levels, more bearishness to follow here. Now what's happening on the 2-hour chart? See stronger bearish momentum here. I'll wait for the next candle, and with the next candle, even if it trades beyond 60.20, buy here for 60.50. 60.80, 61. Any move beyond 61 is a sign of reversal, and then prices could bounce back. Prices could rise strongly from there. Stochastic coming to oversold zone. The MACD trading with sharp divergence and staying strongly bearish. The RSI has taken a good hit here. On the 3-hour, similar observation here on the 3-hour chart. The support coming in is strong, but I am focusing on lower highs here. Any move beyond 61.5, 61.60. Since yesterday I had mentioning these levels 61.4, 61.6 and 62. And if these levels are taken any point of time, today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, once it trades beyond this, remember we are going to see oil landing all the way towards 64 and 66. But right now it is not showing such a strength. In fact, it has traded bearish here. So now we have to wait for it to take a direction. For the day, this zone is going to remain very, very critical at 61. Till 61, you have to remain extremely cautious with the buys. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD crossing over here, trading with divergence and bearishness, the almost staying flat. On the 4-hour charts, notice increasing body sizes, increasing bearishness. But yes, the supports are also very, very strong, and thus I'll recommend you to sell only if you see it is staying below 59.7 and 59.4 levels. The zone between 59.7 59.4 is a very, very strong support zone. Let's wait for it to trade below this. Stochastic is bearish here. The MACD again crossing over for a sell. Slight bearish indication here as well. RSI looking downwards. Coming to day. On the daily charts, notice after hitting the peak here at 62.6, prices have seen a dip here, then lower highs. So it is possible that it might try to create lower highs, lower lows. But also notice the support here till 59.4 is very, very strong. Below 59.4, 59 will arrive. It is only and only if you see oil trading below 59, you can expect bearishness to prevail towards 58.6, 57.8 zone. Else what is possible? I can see a possible breakout on the upside as well. Let's wait for it to take a direction. Bullishness on the upside, the resistances are getting pretty strong now. 61, 61.4, 61.6, 62 and 62.5, 62.6. Very, very key levels here for oil to break beyond. Stochastic comfortably placed. The MACD has retraced, waiting for it to cross over for a sell. RSI is trying to suggest slight bearishness. So looking at this, what you first is where you should buy. And yes, before I give you the trading levels, do not miss to join the mentorship batch and equip yourself with all the tools, techniques and strategies which can help you identify profitable trades with ease. Else you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals you can profit. Reach out to me for queries and do not miss to join the recommended broker. So first thing is where you should buy. You can ideally buy now at 60.4 levels, but then you can expect 60.7 and 61. Only and only if you see oil trading beyond 61, it's a bullish reversal. Possibly we can see 61.4, 61.6 coming into picture. And if then that is taken, then 62, and then my favorite 62.5 should be seen. Any move beyond this is a clear sign of a breakout. Else we can not confirm the bullishness here. Till 62.5, chances of reversal are very, very high. This time, if you see oil trading beyond 62.5, 62.6, on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 59.7, expect 59.4. This zone completely is a good support. Any move below 59.4, stay short for 59, 58.6, 57.8, and then below this is where you can confirm the greater correction in making here, though I do not expect oil to deliver such a drop. Even if it tries to trade bearish today, possibly 59, 58 zone should offer a very good support before it shows a bounce back and a recovery soon. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Now let's move to natural gas. Today traded in a narrow range here, though it is some of the gains since yesterday, but it is not yet shown stronger bearish movement. Now when you see natural gas on the hourly chart, see it is trading bullish moving averages. These are trading with divergence, but look at the support it is getting. See, first of all, on the upside, the resistances are pretty strong and it is delivering lower highs, lower. So it is possibly forming a nice. I'll not treat natural gas as bearish now as long as 4.15 zone is not taken, which is a quite lower level. Right now we can see it is trading at 4.3. But now what you should do, if you see it is staying below 4.26, you can take a sell, expect it to move towards 4.2, 4.18, 4.15 levels. Else it is right now it can in fact bounce back, because see it is showing swings. A move beyond 4.34 will confirm, 4.3435 will confirm a possible reversal as well. Stochastic trading bearish here. The MACD, since the crossover is trading with slight divergence, trading bearish here. RSI is also trading with moderate bearishness. Coming to 2 on the 2-hour charts as well, you can see slight consolidation here happening here. Thus I'll wait for it to trade below 4.26 levels here, below which you can expect slight bearishness to prevail towards 4.22, 4.18, 4.16 levels. But it is difficult, because see it is delivering higher lows and higher highs. So yes, only if it comes out of this channel you can expect slight bearishness. Stochastic rising here, but interestingly the MACD, after a good rise, crossing over here, trading with divergence, delivering a wave here. There is lot much of downside available here. So let's wait for this current candle, where it starts and how it performs is what you should watch out for. So yes, once it trades below 4.262, for more bearishness should follow. RSI is also looking downwards, which is again a slight bearish indication. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3-hour chart, see what has happened. You can see the preceding few candles just trading in a zone here, trading with little swings, but largely closing in red. So now it has to trade below 4.26, which will confirm the breakout move towards 4.22, 4.18, or 4.15 levels. Yes, only bearishness is confirmed if it trades below 4.15. Stochastic looking down, MACD hitting the highs, just crossing over here, which is again a bearish indication. See the waves here. So possibly this might take it low, and but yes, it has to break below the support levels in order to confirm the further downside. RSI is also trying to suggest slight bearishness. Coming to 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour charts, you can see preceding candle comes with a flat base here. So very crucial for gas to trade below 4.26 levels, which might confirm further downside. Look at the divergence of the price from the 20 period, which is sitting at 4.2, and hence I'll say till 4.15 at least you should not be treating natural gas as bearish. Is it possible for gas to breach all these levels? It is possible that it can continue to retrace before it reverses. Stochastic looking downwards, the MACD trying to converge crossover for a sell. RSI staying flat at top. Coming to also on the 4-hour charts, the possibility of a move towards 20 period cannot be denied. Now coming to daily charts here, when you look at the day, see if you track the move here, you can see every rise offsets with a retracement, and this is the third to fourth such rise here. But when you look at the move, yes, I would like to divide this from here and see the move here. This is possible that it might try to keep itself within this channel, which is a bullish channel. With the support at 3.8, we can see the price staying bullish, and right now you can also see the support coming in from the 5-period moving average. So today it is starting to retrace, but I'll not confirm a sell here as long as 4.26, 4.24 zone is not taken, and then very crucial for it to trade below 4.2, 4.16 levels, below which you can say now it is trying to erase the gains, and then we can expect a greater move all the way towards 4.1 or $4. Moving averages are trading bullish. Stochastic is slightly overbought. The MACD is also at the highs here. We have to watch out. It can still rise though. RSI is overbought. So looking at where you should buy, I will only recommend you to buy at 4.325 levels, expecting it to move towards 4.35. If at all it trades beyond 4.35, 4.36 zone, you can just stay bullish from there, expect 4.4. See, on the upside we still have the targets towards 4.6 and 5 levels here, but it is not possible in a day or so. But yes, if it breaks out beyond 4.3560 and 4.4 levels, stay bullish. You can in fact expect 4.5, 4.6 levels very soon. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry here at 4.26 levels here. Expect 4.235 4.2, and once it trades below 4.2, slight bearishness will be seen here towards 4.16, 4.14 zone, the next crucial support. If at all it trades below 4.14, stay short for 4.1 and 4.05 and 4. Once it starts to slide below the support levels, more bearishness to follow, but I'll say till 4.1, 4.1516 zone, I think greater supports are available. Let's see which direction it takes. Right now I can see a slightly range bound movement. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq. Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones have traded with a strong bearish momentum throughout the day and now trying to show a bit of recovery. When you see Tech 100 here, you can see what has happened. You can see the resistance coming into picture here at around this zone. So now once you see it is staying beyond 26,680, you can initiate a buy, because see what we had seen a good drop, so possibly it can try to bounce back somewhere here at around 25,700, 800 zone. This is going to be the most crucial resistance here for Tech 100, and if at all it trades beyond 25,800, we can in fact expect a reversal here. Right now it is not showing any such, but yes, a little retracement can be expected. It might try to fall back within 25,700, 800 zone. If you look at the moves here, see the drop and then this twin peak, then the drop, so possibly it might try to scale like this, it might try to move like this, where the highs could be again far higher, 25,800, 26,000 zone. 26,000 appears difficult to crack. Stochastic rising, the MACD has seen good enough bearishness, waiting for it to converge crossover for a buy. RSI is just coming out of the oversold zone after a couple of greener candles on the hourly charts. Look at 2 hour. On the 2 hour charts, likewise, see one pullback. I'll wait for it to trade beyond the 5 period here. I'll wait for it to trade beyond 25,680, 25,700 zone. And once it trades beyond this, possibly we are going to see a move towards 25,740, 25,800 zone. 25,800 indeed is going to remain a crucial resistance here. See the moving averages crossing over here. Indeed is a bearish sign, and it could be a long-term reversal here in Tech 100. But yes, not without a little retracement. How far it can retrace? See, it is possible that it can try to stay in this flag where the highs could be at 26,000. Stochastic oversold trying to recover. The MACD is staying sharply bearish. RSI is just at bottom here. On the 3 hour, now see the 3 hour charts here. What has happened with the preceding candle? See, diminishing bearishness. You can see every candle has got a smaller body, and then this reversal sign is up. Now this could become reversal when the price trades beyond 25,700. See 25,700 at least I see here coming soon, and now once it trades beyond 25,700 and 25,800, this might confirm a little retracement on the upside. In fact, it can take it all the way towards 25,900 or 26,000 zone, but appears difficult right now. It is not showing such a strength. Also notice on the downside, the support levels at 25,500 are very strong, and then what could happen? It may try to fill the gap here, fill the gap towards 25,400, which is a strong support zone again. So 25,400, 25,500 on the downside is going to offer a very good support here for Tech 100. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading bearish, RSI at bottom here. On the 4 hour chart, similar observation here. Notice again diminishing bearishness. It was outside Bollinger Bands trying to pull the price within the bands here. There is a strong possibility for a slight retracement all the way towards 25,700, 800 zone. This is something you should watch out for. And thus once it trades beyond 25,680, you can initiate a buy. On the downside now, I'll wait for 25,580, 500 zone to be taken in order to confirm further bearishness here. Stochastic oversold, the MACD trading sharply bearish. The RSI has seen a good drop as well. Coming to daily, see on the daily charts earlier in the day, once the price slides below 5 period, we can see it approaching 20 period here. It is moved close to it, but it is yet having a distance to cover here on the downside. Now the 20 period sitting at around 25 485, 450 zone, and the median of the Bollinger Bands at around 25,380. So these are the possible targets. It is possible that it might not achieve these today, because see, look at the reversal sign, then first bearish candle, second bearish candle. It might take a couple of more bearish candles for it to do so. What it can do today, it can show you swing. It can possibly move towards 25,700, 800 zone and then resume the downtrend from there. Moving averages definitely staying bullish here, but also notice what we are seeing here. See the rise here, then the sharp plunge, again the rise. It might trade like this. Also there is a gap to be filled here all the way towards 24,000 very soon. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for sell. The RSI is trading bearish here. So considering this, what I'll recommend first, where you should buy, I will only recommend you to buy if you see now Tech 100 trading beyond 25,680 levels. If you see Tech 100 above 25,680, stay with the buys. Expected to move towards 25,740, 25,800. Now 25,800 is very critical for Tech 100 to trade beyond. Beyond this, you can expect 25,872, and if this is taken, then 25,950 and if this is taken 26020, beyond 26020 is where the bulls are waiting, where you can say now it is a complete reversal. Else I'll say it is going to be difficult now for Tech 100 to trade beyond 26,000 any point of time soon. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 25,580 levels. Expect 25,500 first target zone, 25,400 the next. Now 25,400, 25,375. These are the two levels which are going to remain the most crucial support here, because what lies below this is 25,200 and 25,000 levels very soon, if not today. Possibly we might see swings here. It can show you sharp swings. It can in fact move towards 25,800 and then move lower again towards 25,400 levels. So take your trades and positions accordingly. Now let's move to Dow Jones, and before proceeding, do not miss to join the mentorship batch or the Signals channel. We are capturing hundreds of pips and points in our Signals channel. And yes, in the mentorship batch, you'll get all the tools so that you can trade yourself independently. Join it today. Connect with me. Write an email, ping me or Telegram for queries. And those looking forward to a trusted partner, a trusted broker, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now see US30 on the early charts, what is happening? You can see price was trading with resistance from 5 period. It is seen a good slide. Now after a long while, it is seen now breaking the 5 period moving average. Thus it is a good sign here. I will expect it to possibly keep moving upwards. In fact, it can move all the way towards 47,200 levels, 47,300 levels. This is going to be the most crucial resistance here for US30. And then see, this is what you can expect, because already we had seen a good slide. It has shown a drop. The next move might take it all the way towards 47,400 before it takes the direction again. So let's wait for today's move. Yes, you can buy here at 47,100 levels and expect it to move upwards, keep moving upwards. 47,100, 200, 200 going to be the next, 300 going to be the next, and 47,400 the most crucial resistance on the upside. Stochastic rising, the MACD has seen good enough bearishness, waiting for it to converge, crossover for a buy. RSI coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts right now, in fact, I'll say 5 period is still offering it a little resistance. On the 2 hour charts, you can see 5 period is offering it a little resistance, but once it trades beyond 47,100, you can expect 200, 300 and then possibly 400 before it takes the dip here. This is something I'll be watchful of. On the downside now, remember 46,800 is a very crucial milestone for US30 to trade below, because what lies below 46,800 is a direct landing at 46,500 levels here. Stochastic rising, the MACD has seen enough bearishness trying to converge. RSI coming out of the oversold zone here. On the 3 hour, see on the 3 hour charts, likewise diminishing bearishness, then a reversal sign. Now once it trades beyond 47,100, 200, possibly this could confirm a move towards all the way towards 47,400. This is something you should watch out for, and the swings cannot be denied. Remember, it can show you huge swings here, moving all the way towards 47,300, 400. The price could again take a stronger dip from there. Be cautious today. Stochastic rising from oversold, MACD trading sharply bearish, RSI staying oversold here. On the 4 hour chart, similar observation. See, preceding candle could become reversal, but we have to wait for 47,100, 200 zone to be taken in order to confirm the possible rise all the way towards 47,300 and 400 zone. Stochastic oversold. Similar observation here. So yes, these are definitely critical milestones. 47,100, 200 zone. It has to break beyond in order to confirm further rise. Stochastic oversold. MACD bearish, RSI at bottom here. Coming to the daily. On the daily charts, notice this is a second straight bearish candle. 20 period definitely offering it a support. It can show you swings. It can kiss the 5 period before taking a plunge. This is something you should watch out for. But I think because see, it is shown a flat top here, I think breaking beyond this is going to remain difficult. But yes, if you see it is staying beyond 47,400 zone, it is possible that it can show you complete reversal. Though I do not expect so, I still expect so. Even if it trades bullish, it can close somewhere with the doji at best with the doji, and then continue with the down mode tomorrow as well. So let's see where it ends today. Stochastic taking a dip. The MACD is trying to cross over for a sell. The RSI looking downwards here. So looking at this, what you can do, where you should buy. I will recommend you to buy at 47,080 levels. Expect 47,100. See, 180, 200 should be there. And if this is taken, you can expect 47,300 and then 47,360, 400 zone. Now this is going to be the most crucial zone for US30 to break beyond. Any move beyond this will confirm a greater rally towards 47,600 as well, chances of which appears to be less. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 46,950 levels. Expect it to move towards 46,880 and then 46,800. Once it trades below 46,800, more bearishness to fall. then we can expect 46,700, and then in fact 46,500 is going to be the next crucial milestone which US30 would like to break. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support them. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update. Do not miss to watch it. Thank you.